Toprak.
Ama lezzetli duruyor. Gerçekten.
Aynen. Şu araba
Ama
geçsin de.
güvenemedim şu an. Bence bu Chinatown'da mağazalar falan daha hijyenik duruyor ya.
Evet, mağazalar daha düzgün yani mağazalar.
Yerlerdense daha şeyler. Bu da bizim Finger, yani yöresel mantı tarzı bir
Burada da bir kuyumcu. Bak burası boş. Kuyumcu. Bayağı kuyumcu var yalnız ha. Hava şu an hissedilen 40 derece falan. Bayağı sıcak bir hava var. Defter, kitap, şeyler, takvimler, yılan
Çin
takvimleri.
takvimleri değil mi?
Tayland takvimi. Çin, Tayland.
Bazı insanlar sanırım
Yaparlar bunlar, yapar yani. Antikacı. Ulan Chinatown'un göbeğinde Starbucks var ha. Yeşil yanıyor ama hani kapandan. Makyaj malzemeleri kapan yani.
burada karşıdan karşıya geçmek çok yani şöyle geçelim biraz.
Karşıda bir şeyler var baksana. Elmalar. Çok ağır kokuyor ya. Ama kimse de maske takmıyor. Bu ne? Turşu mu bunlar? Ha, bizim şeye benziyor.
Biberiye
Biberiye turşusu.
işte.
ขอเชิญร่วมแบ่งปันน้ำใจเพื่อส่งเสริมและพัฒนาคุณภาพชีวิตให้แก่ผู้พิการทางด้านสายตาเข้าร่วมร่วมได้ขอบคุณครับสวัสดีครับขอเชิญร่วมแบ่งปันน้ำใจเพื่อส่งเสริมและพัฒนาคุณภาพชีวิตให้แก่ผู้พิการทางด้านสายตา
Bak geliyor bak sen. Ha? Evet, değişik yani. Bu sıcakta da alıyorlar.
ยิ่งถามหม่าม่าดิว่ามีสั่งอะไรไหม
Vallahi hamurlar kapış kapış gidiyor ya. Hamurlar diyorum kapış kapış gidiyor.
ปูม้านะคะเป็นอกขาวกล้ามแดงค่ะอันนี้ที่ว่า
Teyzeler, Çinli teyzeler satış yapıyor. Tamam, elmalara bak.
Balık plazadan bize satılıyor.
Kocaman.
Eriye bak, eriklere bak. Alsak mı erik ya? Otelde yeriz.
Kirazlar da var ya, tam Napolyon ha. Çok güzel. Burada da bir turşucu. Balıkçı.
किन्नत कहाँ छोड़ने मैं बंद करने डाल मुझे पापा लाए थे
Evet. Kuyumcuya akım var. Kıyamet gibi altın alıyor insanlar. Herhalde kuyumcudur. Başka ne olacak burası? Hangisiydi seninki? Bu muydu? Yes.
Okay, okay.
How much price? How much price?
100 บาท
100.
Okay, this guy.
Hoppa.
He don't know, I know. Where you want to go, sir?
Sorry?
Where you want to go?
Batarun.
What's a room?
Batarun Temple.
Yes.
This way.
Batarun Temple.
Yes,
You
yes.
take a boat.
Boat?
Yeah, take a boat. This for the one trip. We start in the Chao Phraya River.
In the side sea, the canal, and the big one Buddha, you have video, you shoot a photo.
Okay.
In the on the river, and the big Buddha, and then to get up to the Wat Arun temple for the one trip about and the 1.5 hour. Up
How
up.
much?
Have the counter. You Archie, and today in the discount.
Discount?
Yeah, and the two people discount.
Minimum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya tamam boş ver bunları şey yapmayalım. Bunlar
We go to there and 100 baht.
100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Batorun'a gidelim biz.
Okay, my husband wants to go to
I want to see Wat Arun.
Just Wat Arun.
Just
Just
Wat
Wat
Arun.
Arun?
Yeah.
Not by boat.
No, thanks.
Direct to Wat Arun. บอกมันเหรอจักบาท
ใครไม่ได้บอก
She one and 400 baht.
400?
400.
Yeah. No, 400 baht to the Wat Arun temple. This Wat Arun temple. Have and
100.
no. And the bench 100 baht in the boat station. 100 baht.
Okey oraya gidelim bari. Tamam okey.
Boat station.
On the boat station.
Boat
yeah.
station.
Yeah.
Boat station, okay.
ไปเรือทำท่าไป she don't know I know she driver tuk my in the young brother
Okay.
yeah
I understand.
understand where you from
Turkey.
nice to meet you
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too this the side sea and the canal the Chao Phraya river
Okay.
and stop and take photo
Şoför
and
yine galiba
วัดปาก
eğitimdeyiz.
น้ำบิ๊กบันบุดาผู้ไม่พูน
Pahalı taksiye göre. Taksinin 150-250 ya da 400
he and young brother young brother
He is learning, yeah?
he driver he and university เอาไปถ่ายกันได้อย่างต้องหาด้วยรับคลิปอะไรด้วยที่หาตามคลิป
Bunların her dediğine
Buradayız.
Bunların her dediğine okey dersek var ya parçalanırız ha. Pazarlık da yapalım muhakkak.
ไปหน่อย
Sonra bitmediğindeyiz ya.
How long in Bangkok sir
Second day.
Second day and one more day with
We will go after Bangkok, Pattaya.
oh Pattaya
yeah.
tomorrow
We will go.
to swim.
swim
Yes,
Yes.
swim.
already Pattaya
What?
been already Pattaya and tomorrow where
Tomorrow, no, on Thursday we are going to Pattaya and coming here on
But-
Saturday.
you stay in Pattaya how long day
How long Pattaya? 3.
3
then,
days.
then Bangkok
Yes, 2 nights and 3 days in Pattaya and now and then we will come back.
you married
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, very
My
nice.
handsome husband.
Thank you so much.
my husband
Husband, my husband.
and handsome
Thank
He
you.
had a
Thank
beautiful
you.
Thank you.
handsome and beautiful
You are so kind.
yeah and the Thailand and this is the something market then the outside Bangkok have in the floating market the outside Bangkok
Floating market. Yeah, I know.
Saturday and Sunday
Saturday,
yeah
Sunday.
and the day in the Bangkok Chao Phraya river have in the long tail boat to see the canal see the
Yes,
city
canal.
yeah canal and the big one Buddha climbing Buddha and the sleeping Buddha to the temple for the one trip and have the original and big Buddha this big Buddhaวัดปากน้ำ is original good view really good view this one open in the about in the 3 year and 4 year really big Buddha
Big Buddha, yes.
big one Buddha on the world big one เลี้ยวซ้ายทางทาง
Evet, şu anda aynı zamanda eğitim var. Şoförü eğitiyoruz.
หัวมันขึ้น
Biraz Allah'a emanet gidiyoruz. Şoför kardeş yeni. İnşallah çarpmadan. herhangi bir yere. Devrilmeden gideceğiz.
This Songwat Road. This Songwat. Songwat in the evening. Evening have in the market.
Ha.
About in the 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah, the market.
It's open at 7 p.m.
Yes, in today and have food on street. This and Sunday and Saturday
Sunday and Saturday.
have in the protein market.
Ah,
The protein is both and the both food. Both food.
Adam bana o güzel marketteki şeyi anlatıyor yemek için de bizim burada duty sorduğumuz tavuklara daha farklı bir şey. Steak teknesi. Akşam yemeğimizi burada yiyebiliriz. Kesinlikle fine dining diye geçiyor. Ve Şen yıldızlı restoran var.
In the can palette, the can palette inside, not inside the can palette. My palette have in my mom. You know my mom? My mom in the number 9 and she now she in sleep.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. Biraz konuşsana adamla sen de. Konuşmak zorunda kalıyor adamla bir şey. Adam bir şey anlatıyor.
Ya konuş sen.
And this
Oh,
now,
Ah.
now, yeah,
now
now, yeah.
that
In the Thailand now. Now in the she in the can palette inside.
Who is she?
Yeah.
Queen?
Yeah,
Queen?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Queen died?
Queen of Thailand.
In Thailand.
Died?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Now she in the
Allah rahmet
can
eylesin.
palette.
Billboardlarda mesela görüyorduk bu kadını. Siyah. Ben anlamıştım.
Herhalde
hani
ölüm yıldönümü
kraliçe
falan mı?
tarzı bir şey olduğunu.
Ya da dün mü öldü?
When
ne zaman
did
öldü?
she die?
What?
When did she die?
In the can palette.
Yok,
It's
no.
now. Palace now.
Queen.
Yeah.
When did she die?
Die.
When?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know.
Ha.
Okay. Years ago.
What?
Years ago.
Yes.
Ha,
yeah.
100 yıl.
Aa, o
Amma
zaman
günü.
muhtemelen evet.
In the now in the people Thailand. She take in the sorry and the back color back shirt in the Thailand. People many a lot.
Ha, anladım.
Ne anladın aşkım anlat.
Beni yıllar
A lot
önce
in the
söyledi.
shirt back.
Okey.
Shirt back. You good,
Ben çok
really good.
anlamıyorum.
Back.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ne de geç boş ver.
Adam bir de dokunmasa iyi olacak. Yani ben zaten
Ha.
biliyorum.
Nah, ini baik.
Uzun sürdü ama ya. Ben bu kadar hayal etmiyordum.
Ne oluyor ya? Taştı bak, dereler taştı demişti ya, sel uyarısı gelmişti. Bir yerler taşmış.
Dia buat
Ben yoksa keyfi ama bir yandan da tabii çekim yaparken telefonu
right side. Okay, right.
Aynen, telefonu kaptırma ha. Ya da düşürme.
Don't eat right. Allah.
Çok ilginç bir yere geldik.
Okay, this.
Here?
Okey.
Eyvah eyvah.
Hadi in bakalım.
You follow him.